What's up, guys? This is Bazinga Autosport. We got a 75-lap fixed race with the trucks, 5 Flag Speedway. First race in the trucks, so this ought to be really interesting. I think I'm in a lower split because I'm starting in second place. The number 1 iRacing guy is at the back. I'll get the settings torn off, our settings all set up, and we're gonna go.
Hey, John. Good.
Good luck, have fun, guys.
My last race, I missed it on a green-white checkers and got totaled out. Now, I don't want to do that again. I want to make it to the finish line. Even though my SR, I got a 10X and my SR still went up 0.14.
Just shows that you're so bad of a driver that you didn't do as bad and your SR went up. By the way, we're teammates, so I can shit talk them.
Screw you, Mike.
Hey, better hope that we're not first and second, because I'll take your ass out. We're not teammates on the last lap.
Oh, these guys sound like they're,
I'll do it, too.
I got you.
I have no idea if we're starting in first or second gear. I think I'm just going to start in second gear and try and get a nice smooth
You
run.
didn't even play with me. Punk ass.
Yeah, we'll just see who finishes where.
I don't expect to finish this race. I'm just going to try and keep it clean.
Good luck, everyone.
Hey, we're going to have a famous bull up here in the 11th and 12th position. Give us some room, give us some room.
Guess we get another pace lap.
1 lap to green.
Gives a feel of about 20.
Guys, good luck on the green, everybody. Clean race, safe race. The system SR and
Get ready,
let's
going
not
green,
wreck
don't
everybody
pass
else.
the blind car. The pace car is in. Green, green, green. Pit
Missed
road is
another
now
gear.
open. The next car's the leader. The yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Catch the ball, car.
I made it 2 laps.
Go hands down, good luck.
Pit road is now open.
Pace car's coming out of 4. Checking up in 3 and 4. Looks like we got a lapper up in the front. No reason to pit just yet. It's gonna take pit. Well, so I'm really enjoying the new build. My graphics card and my computer aren't enjoying it, but everything else seems really great. Enjoying trying to learn how to drive the McLaren, the new F1 car. Primary series this season are going to be the Skip Barber and the trucks here. I'm not sure if I'm going to run fixed the whole time or try and go with the open. What I'm going to try and do.
Pit road is closed.
We'll see what happens. I might do some other races just for fun. But you can expect me to be in the trucks fixed and Skip Barber again. Also trying out a new video format tonight, so hopefully that goes well. We'd have 1 to green this time by.
1 lap to green. Line up on the outside.
And we got another restart. Guy in 3rd place is
Wonderful, on the outside again.
pretty aggressive. It seemed like he came up on me really fast. That's probably because I'm really slow, but all right, here we go.
Come on,
Get ready. Going green. Don't pass the plant car. The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. Pit road is now open.
Hey, now y'all going on the pace car. They're still showing you to lose. Quit it. Butthole.
This guy's mad because Ford's going on the pace car. Oh, oval racing is really just a very, very different animal. Very poor exit there.
Inside.
And he's going to dive bomb
Stay
here.
high. Clear
Oh,
inside.
no, he
The yellow
wrecks.
flag is out. Line up, single file. Pit road is closed. Catch the 4 car.
Pace car on the back stretch.
Pit road
Checking
is
up in
now
3 and
open.
4.
I tried to avoid you, Javier, but I didn't expect the brake check. Not that it was your fault, but sorry about that.
Checking up into 1 and 2. Pace car in 1 and 2. Slow down. Mark, I'm not sure what you're asking about. Are you asking about something with the yellow? Because I left plenty of room for you.
Car 14 got the lucky dog. Let them by on the outside.
I didn't get loose at all, dude. I had to go into the throttle really... Oh, sorry. Sorry, John.
I didn't even get a lucky dog notification.
Let the 14 car by. He had the position when the yellow flag came out.
Oh, that's lovely. So we're lap 1275. Got 2 cautions under our belt already. Still holding a pretty decent 2nd place. I left plenty of room for you, Mark. I'm sorry.
Pit road is closed.
Apparently the 3rd place car is mad because he thinks I cut down on him. I stayed up in the 2nd lane the whole time, so not sure why he's upset.
One lap to green. Line up on the outside.
If this guy's going to be aggressive, I'm just going to give him the position on the start too. I don't want to risk having an accident with him. But I don't want to get too far back in the pack because there's still a lot of people that have haven't
Get
junked
ready,
their cars.
going green, don't pass the plant car. The pace car is in. Green flag, pit road is now open.
Alright, so how many laps do we get to do before we go back to yellow here? I guess we're going to find out.
The yellow flag is out,
Yeah,
line
there we
up,
go.
single file. Pit road is closed. Catch the 4 car.
Sorry about that, 7. Couldn't get checked out in
Catch the
time.
4 car.
Mark, the only reason you're not spawning in the wall is because I let up on that restart. I won't do it again.
Pit road is now open.
We'll see if everyone comes down here. We're only 20 laps in, so if he's coming, I'm going to come, and he's staying out. Don't want to give up the track position just yet. So we're 21 laps in, 3 cautions so far. I think that was our longest green flag run. It was like, what, 5 or 6 laps? Still hanging on to second place. No idea how that's working.
18 got the lucky dog. Let them by on the outside.
Lucky dog coming by.
I've raced with Kevin before. I think in the Skip Barbers, actually.
Let the 18 car by. He had the position when the yellow flag came out.
So much pacing under yellow. I think we should have 2 to green here. This time by.
Pit road is closed.
Lots of people on pit road right now. Wow. Must have been a big accident. So I feel like I'm very lucky here. I feel like qualifying in second place outside, not too bad, especially since I've been able to hold on to that position, which I'm kind of surprised about.
Hey, 9 and 7, y'all should go higher and low because y'all are both high and low. So,
1 lap to green. Line up on the outside.
This guy's been going pretty much as soon as or before the pace car comes off. So I'm wondering if maybe this time we can expect a checkup. Which, I got Kevin behind me, so I feel like he's going to be at least conscious of that, although he did give this other guy
Get ready,
third place.
going green, don't pass the blank car. The pace car is in. Green flag, pit road is now open. Inside. Still there. Still there. Clear.
Well, I had bad restart.
Car outside. Stay low. There's a car on the high side. Clear.
It's probably for the best now that I look at that.
The yellow flag is out.
Cool.
Line up, single file. Pit road is closed.
And we got 3 more. 3 more laps. That one looks like it might have been a nasty one.
I go from clear, I'm going to wreck, and then it glitches and it parks it right in front of my freaking truck. Fantastic.
The pit road is now open.
I'm kidding. Son of a bitch, man. This is...
It's not done.
goddamn hard. Well, Javier,
Where'd
I'm
Kevin
gonna talk
go?
crap about you, buddy. Sorry, but I got to. You're a horrible driver. Quit it.
There's some people that are kind of angry there, I guess.
Yeah, I'll watch the
Car
replay.
9 got the lucky dog. Let them by on the outside.
Alright, we'll let the 9 by on the outside. Whenever the 9 comes by.
Let
Sorry,
the
15 had
9
nowhere
car
to go.
by.
No, I know. I knew that was going to happen.
Alright, so let's see if Kevin can do anything on the inside with Mark on the outside in the spot that I've been occupying for the next couple of restarts.
Yeah, he pushed up, bounced off the wall, came down. I got in the side of him, slash, he got inside of me, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And then I bounced off the inside of the wall.
So we're almost to half distance here. So far I'm actually really enjoying the trucks. I don't really like the short tracks. This is 4/10 of a mile, and not really my thing, I'll be honest. I'd like a little bit bigger track,
Pit road is closed.
in my opinion. I understand that there's a lot of interest in short track racing, but I'm just really not there for some reason. So, to start off, this is nice. Really happy that I've kept the truck clean so far. We're almost at half distance. Probably by the next time the yellow comes out, we'll be at half distance, maybe less.
One lap to green. Line up on the outside. Get ready, going green. The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag.
Oh, he had a bad start. Just get down in front of this guy, or behind this guy. I'm going to have a hard time passing people here, I think. This guy seems to be holding me up. Wish I would have gotten a better restart. Try and be gentle on the equipment.
Car outside. Stay low.
Pushed
There's
way
a car
up.
on the high side. Clear.
I'd say we're at about half distance now.
You're in 4th position. Good job.
I feel like the tires are starting to go here. Starting to get really loose under braking into the turns. So I think I'll probably pit under the next yellow.
Okay, we're halfway to the finish.
Okay, well I guess I was wrong about the half distance thing. I feel like I could maybe catch Mark here, this 3rd place guy, and pass him. Really don't want to junk myself though. Kept the car entirely clean so far, and that's just amazing for my first truck race. So I'll definitely take a 4th place. If he doesn't make a mistake, I'm just going to let him have it. Seemed like he had a little bit of a rough spot there earlier, not being able to keep the truck on the bottom. Trying to diamond the corners, and I'm just not smart enough to recognize it. Woo! Getting too stabby with the throttle there. Looks like the leaders have caught some lapped traffic. So that should make things really interesting. Of course, maybe the short track racing I'm able to talk more than if I was doing road racing or something else like that.
Cars are lap down.
His engine just blew
Car
up.
outside. Clear outside.
Boy, that was really lucky. Yeah, I'm not getting all the way to the outside of the track, but I'm really paranoid about hitting the wall. Especially on that front straight. I don't know why. It's probably because I got loose earlier.
Car stopped up high. Car stopped up high. The yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed.
Stay behind the 16 car. All right.
Pass the pace car.
It's 420 somewhere. That's clever. Well, we are into lap 49. Or actually, sorry, lap 50. 25 laps to go, still hanging on to 4th place.
Now open.
Pace cars in 3 and 4, checking up. Looks like everyone's coming down pit road. And I'm just going to let them add.
He's saying thanks. You literally turned down and drove me to the wall. You're a dumbass.
I'm just going to let them do. Let him do the whole pit service. Give me all the fuel and everything like that. Looks like he missed his pit stall. Oh, that sucks. Really bad. Probably get a spot here. He can't seem to.
Line up single file.
Really like this guy's paint job up here. Now we got fresh tires and fuel. I don't think I'll need to do anything else.
Catch the 19 car.
Okay, it looks like we're coming out in 7th place.
Pass the 10 car.
Looks like a bunch of guys stayed out. I don't think I was that slow in pit lane. But, of course, I could have been.
Pass the 11 car. Pass the 7 car. Pass the 1 car.
Or not. We're just going to get reshuffled and recycled up here. I don't know how oval racing works. This is my first race with actual yellows in it, aside from the Indy 500 a couple years ago.
1 lap to green. Line up on the inside.
Cool. Inside. Starting 5th, so I did lose 1 position. I think I should have lost a lot more, though. I got a pretty long stop. Looks like the guy on pole is... Oh, gosh. He must not have stopped.
Get ready. Going green.
So this is going to be really interesting.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. Car outside. Clear. Outside. Keep low.
That didn't take very long.
20 more laps. Still there. Clear. Outside. Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
Alright. Looks like Kevin is taking the
Now in
lead.
third.
Sorry.
The yellow flag is out. Line up single file. Pit road is closed. Catch the 4 car.
Well, I guess I'll tell him what lap we're on.
Pit road is now open.
We'll be completing lap 60 this time by, for those who are asking. Okay, we'll mute that. That looked like a pretty nasty accident. There's quite a few trucks that are all borked up because of that. Lots of guys going laps down.
Car 11 got the lucky dog. Let them by on the outside.
I will be super happy just to finish this race.
Let the 11 car by. He had the position when the yellow flag came out.
What are you talking about, spotter? I might be able to get by this Adrian Markert, but I don't think I'm faster than him, so unless he really has a horrible start like I've been having, then I'm just gonna give him the spot. Go ahead, dude. Come on down. And Alan started pulling away from him. I think I can stay in front of him if I just drive my race and don't be too conservative. But yeah, we got a pit stop in, so I think we're good to the end as far as fuel is concerned. Let's take a look. Estimated 350 laps. Well, I guess at this speed that makes sense.
Pit road is closed.
2 to green. Here we go again. So yeah, I've had to turn down quite a few details to make sure that I can run the Nürburgring. and the Nordschleife. Haven't spent too much time on Nordschleife just because it's a long track, it's a big time commitment. Haven't had a lot of time with finals. Finals are finishing up though, and so might be able to drop some time into that. We'll see what happens. We'll put together a Skip Barber race or two for you guys.
1 lap to green. Line up on the inside.
Skip Barber race or two this weekend most likely, so you can expect that to come in probably by the end of the weekend or Monday maybe. So Kevin seems to be putting some good restarts together here.
Get ready, going green.
So I'm just going to try and stay right with him.
The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag.
And I missed my gear again. It's actually me just not hitting my shift point or not moving the gear shifter to the correct spot. It's not anything the sim's doing. I'm just bad at shifting gears, apparently. Let's see if we can hang on for a podium here. I'm really hoping we can.
You got 10 laps to go.
10 this time by, huh? I think this guy behind me might be a little bit faster. We're just going to drive our race, though. And if he comes up, he comes up. He just made a big mistake, though. He went up to the top of the track, so that's going to buy me a little bit of time. I don't think I'm going to catch these guys, and I think they might start battling for the lead here. Adrian sat on the pole. I think he wants to win this one, so he's really going to might try some last lap heroics on Kevin, I'm not sure. But I'll take a third place. No incidents. Oh boy!
Go high.
He spun.
The yellow flag is out. Line up, single file. Pit road
Maybe
is
second
closed.
place.
Catch the 2 car. Pit road is now open.
And that's almost going to put a capper on it. Where the hell did the pace car go? Oh, there it is. Looks like there was something else going on there, too. Pace car's on in turn 1, guys. Checking up in turn 1.
I saw you coming.
Car
It was gonna be
10
fun.
got the lucky dog. Let them by on the outside.
Well, so our pole sitter spun with less than 10 laps to go.
Let the 10 car by.
Woo! Man, he was moving. I almost got hit by him. I was not paying attention. Oval Racing 101. Don't get hit by the lucky dog. Hey, Kevin, have I raced against you and Skip Barber at some point?
You've got 5 laps to go.
Maybe. I haven't run a bunch of skifty, but season before last I ran a decent amount. I didn't get my participation, little honk or whatever.
Hey, you lap cars in front of me, can y'all just let me go by?
Yeah, your name looks awfully familiar for some reason. You might be on my friends list, actually.
Maybe so. I'm more of an oval guy.
Pit road is closed.
Yeah, that makes sense. This is my first race in the trucks, so... First race as a C license driver, anyways.
Simple. Yeah, at one point when I was up to a B in road, and now I'm back down to a D. I just don't run it enough. I was like at a 1.6, and with the C license, they took my C license away and put me back to a D. But I'm loving the Nürburgring tourist track with the Ford GT.
1 lap to green. Line up on the outside.
Yeah, I've been driving the McLaren on that. That's actually pretty fun, so... Haven't put a lot of time into it, though.
It's definitely one you just got to log laps because you got to learn where everything is. It's in 12.5 miles. It's a lot to learn.
Yeah, you said it, man.
Get ready, going green.
Good luck on the restart, guys.
The plant car.
Let's see when
The
he
pace
goes.
car is in.
They had Grand Prix.
Green flag. Pit road is now open. You're back in second. You've got 2 laps to go. The next car's the leader.
And we are not going to challenge Kevin. Although he had a little bobble there.
You just got the white flag. That means 1 more lap to go.
0x. Am I gonna make it? Yeah! Woo!
There's the flag. It's over.
Good race, guys. Good race,
Great
Kevin.
job. You did really well.
Sorry if I cut down in front of you. Sorry if I cut down in front of you there, Alan. I wasn't trying to. Oh, I guess I should have gone in the pits there.
I thought, and I crashed out, and I had to go.
Okay, the race is over. Bring it on in.
What you doing, 15?
All right. Well, there you have it. First race, kept it clean all the way through. On a short track, nonetheless. Feeling pretty good about that. We're going to pick up some SR and some iRating. And hope you guys enjoyed. I'm copying an empty box. That's not a good thing. Sorry, Matt. That's not right. Hope you guys have a good night. And we'll catch you next time.